Hello everyone. Now I will try to explain one more example on alpha beta pruning. Now I'm sharing the screen. This is our question. Max, min, and these are the scores. So here we are traversing from top to down, left to right. So here the value is 3. The minimum of 3 and 4 will be 3 here. So the beta value is 3 and alpha will also be 3 here. And if I come down in this direction, so this beta is 2 here, it is 2. It is 2. If in this direction, if I traverse, if this value is less than 2, it will be less here. Okay, but there will be no effect on this max value, means in alpha value. Okay, if it is greater than 2, there will be no effect here. So there will be no effect here also. So this is, or these are, can be discarded. Okay, now beta will come here. 3 will be value of beta. Beta will be 3 here. If I traverse in this direction, this direction, this direction, so the beta will be 7 here. 7 and 8. What is the minimum? 7. That is fine. So this alpha will also be 7 here. So this is also 7. If I come in this direction, so the value of this beta value here, min node will be 9 here. If I check in this direction, if its a value is greater than 10, there will be no effect here because its value will be minimum. If its a value is less than 9, okay, if its a value is less than 9, there will be some change. If it's 8, 8 will be here and its value will also be changed to 8. Okay, so that is fine. But one more thing is here. If its a value is 3 here, its value is 3 here and it's a 7 here. If I get some value which is greater than 7, okay, but there will be no effect here. So this edge can be discarded. Okay, I'm repeating again. If in this edge I am getting a value which is greater than 7, there will be no effect in this min nodes value, means the beta value. Okay, if it's less than 7, there will be no change in this max node value. Okay, so I can discard this value. Again, value of alpha will be 3 here. I'm going in this direction, this direction, this direction, and this direction. Again, my value is 2 here. Okay, this is the min node, so value will be 2. If I compare 2 with 11, okay, so 2 with 11, it will be 2. Now, the alpha value of this max node will be 2. If I come in this direction, if it is, this is 1 here. Okay, this is 1. If I check this value, if it is less than 1, there will be no effect of this max value. If it is greater than 1, there will be no change in this value because it will remain 1. Okay, so I can discard this value. It will remain 2 here, and here also in the beta value it will be 2 here. Okay, so here it is 3 and it is 2. This is the max value, which is 3, and min value is 2. If the value is less than 2, there will be change here in the min value, but in the mix value there will be no change. Okay, so I can discard it. If its a value is greater than 2, but there will be no change in the min value. If there is no change, there will be no change in the max value here. So this edge can also be discarded. Okay, hope you will be understanding. Thank you.